Hello everyone, today's topic of discussion is restriction on Paytm Payment Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed restriction on Paytm Payment Bank, bringing all transactions to an end. This development has sent shockwaves through the Indian fintech landscape. Now in this video, let us analyze the factors contributing to the RBI's action and its potential impact on the industry. Now what led to this decision? The Paytm Payment Bank has been under scrutiny since 2018 due to consistent non-compliance issues, raising questions about data security, consumer protection, and adherence to regulatory norms. Reports of deficiencies in Know Your Customer procedures and potential violations of data privacy guidelines fueled regulatory scrutiny. Additionally, the influence of Ant Group, a Chinese financial firm and a major stakeholder in Paytm, has been highlighted as a contributing factor to the crisis. The RBI intervened, imposing restrictions on non-compliance and setting a deadline of February 29, 2024 for customers to either withdraw funds or abstain from further recharges. Now let us see the background of Paytm. Paytm, initially introduced as Paytm 2 and later rebranded as paytmbank.com in 2017, has become a prominent player in the Indian digital payment ecosystem. The platform offers a range of services, including digital wallets and FASTags, catering to a vast user base within the country. With over 100 million verified customers, Paytm has established itself as a reliable digital payment platform. Now let us see the potential consequences for users. Firstly, the RBI's action raises concern about the financial transaction of its substantial user base. Secondly, the uncertainty surrounding the resumption of services adds to the worry among its users. Bhavesh Gupta, the President and Chief Operating Officer at Paytm, said that the company is in talks with other banks and planning to move the existing merchants who are accepting payments on UPI to any other bank. The Paytm app and its services remain operational, providing services in partnership with other banks rather than its associate bank, that is paytmbank.com. Now let's see the impact on the industry. The RBI's action against Paytm Payment Bank serves as a warning for other players in the fintech space. Secondly, it emphasizes the importance of robust compliance infrastructure and adherence to regulations. Thirdly, it could slow down innovation. While some view it as a necessary step to ensure financial stability and consumer protection, others worry that it could slow down innovation and hinder the growth of fintech startups. Lastly, the long-term impact on the industry remains to be seen, but it undoubtedly creates a more cautious environment with stricter regulatory oversight. In conclusion, the RBI's decision to stop transactions on Paytm Payments Bank has important effects on both the digital payment platform and its large user base. The quick and decisive action by the RBI not only protects the financial system but also sets a good example for responsible governance in digital payments. As we look ahead, attention is not only on regulatory actions but also on how Paytm reacts. The actions taken by Paytm after the regulatory intervention will influence its path and position in the changing world of digital payments. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this. You guys can also join us on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. We will provide the link in the description box below. Do check out, guys. Until then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. And